I'm Jordan Cicoria. I'm the President and CEO of AERIUM Analytics. AERIUM Analytics is a drone solutions company. We create unique solutions using drones in the airport space, in the forestry space, and in energy. We have a flapping wing drone technology that looks like a bird, flies like a bird, and prevents negative bird-human interactions. And we're also moving into artificial intelligence and machine learning on the data side to help support safety, greenhouse gas reduction emissions, and efficiencies. The interesting part about drones is they're electric vehicles. They already are green. They don't contribute to increasing CO2 outputs and things such as that in their current format. So what a lot of technologies out there are doing is looking at ways to replace traditional ways of doing perimeter security checks at airports, driving around mines, and things that typically would involve a person in a truck doing some form of service. So if we can use drones to replace some of that very low-hanging technology, what that ends up doing is greatly decreasing not only the amount of trucks on the road. For instance, for every truck we can remove from an airport setting, it's the equivalent of 19 homes worth of greenhouse gas emissions a year. But it also increases safety because you're not putting that human being in harm's way. Our goal and mission is to put our eventual automated solutions in every airport and mine in the world. So it's a pretty big goal, but what we're talking about is we've created some amazing technologies that have a very unique purpose in highly regulated industries. So first we want to put that tool in the hands of others and make it more successful, and then eventually remove the need for pilots and allow these technologies to again make things safer, to decrease greenhouse gas emissions and improve efficiency. Since I've been in the industry since 2016, just the fact that this technology, it's not an industry, it's a disruptive technology that's applying to every single industry. And every time that we meet somebody new or find a new partner, we're all solving a different problem. And those problems actually need to integrate and get together for what's going to be the solutions in the future. So it excites and intrigues me that there is so much ingenuity happening in Alberta, that there are some amazing companies doing fantastic pieces that you probably will be talking to, like Canadian UAVs, Gardenfield Canada, like BVLOS Inc. We're actually all on a project called Sky Senses together, which was pretty impressive. But it's that ingenuity and oh man, there's now a technology out there that can solve this problem that's been plaguing us forever. It's that ingenuity and that creative piece that people are now running with to find the solutions into it. We are reducing bird strikes on aircraft using a robotic falcon that is a drone. That has a massive safety component to people's lives, and in that we're using drones in the tailings industry to actually reduce bird landings and bird mortalities in these dangerous settings. There's thousands and thousands of ways that drones are really making a difference today. I mean, AERIUM Analytics, we've been in Calgary, we've been in Alberta since we started. We're not going anywhere. But I think more importantly, it's more important for us as Albertans to figure out how to get a unified message on these amazing solutions we're all creating together and then sell them to the world. And if we can do that and get more critical mass, then we have a huge opportunity to be one of the leaders.